Guys, si Papa Jones, try lang po.
Try lang po, try.
Kasi ano niya, first time po niya.
Cardio ko sa bit, cardio.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. A secret start in your heart to slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I
Roll the tiger. Ben Kera.
secret start in your heart to slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Turning on the wrongs into rights. Here we go. This life is all, this life is all. I can't stay if you can't wait. I never really know what's going on.
Sila po, jump straight, ilag straight. Jump. Straight. Straight. Straight, ilag straight.
You don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Thank you, boss.
Tubig. Tubig.
Grabe coach, grabe Beshi.
Grabe. Namumula ka. Sige, ano ka muna? Inom. Inom ka muna. Sige. Yun guys, tapos na yung vaccine session ngayon namin ni Papa Jones.
Bayaw.
Kasi ayaw. Yun, kumusta natin guys si Papa Jones kasi mukhang napagod siya. Kumusta yung session natin sa vaccine?
Alam mo coach Roy, ay Beshi. Ay coach muna. Coach Roy na muna.
Sige.
Kasi dito tayo sa gym.
Sige.
Grabe coach. First time ko kasing mag-try mag-vaccine. So, sinasabi kanina, ano to, cardio?
Oh, cardio,
High intensity cardio.
Pero basic pa lang yun, Papa Jones.
Basic ko lang yun, pero grabe yung feeling ko tumakbo na, parang nag-jogging na din ako.
Pero enjoy kasi yung Papa Jones. Pero kung nasanay ka na, ikaw na yung mag-request sa akin na ako lang, bigyan yung rules mo.
Actually coach, I am Beshi. Basta actually Beshi, nabit nga ako. Nabit ka lang. Di ba pag sabi mo 3 minutes, ay tapos na.
Totoo yun, kasi nakakalimang siya.
Nag-enjoy na ako eh.
Tsaka yung palo mo kanina, maganda eh.
Palo? Narinig ko yung magandang palo.
Yun na yun. Sa sunod, dadagdagan natin yung minutes natin.
O tsaka, may mga knowledge ka pang gusto i-yan.
Oo, idadagdag natin. Ito kasi puro na yung jobs.
Basic lang yung kanina.
Basic. Kaya dapat meron tayong table, tayo po.
Oo, tayo.
Tapos yung ayusin natin yung pag-hook. At least maganda yung gabi. Yung gabi sa gym.
Actually, Coach Roy, Beshi, inano ko yun nila, iyan, mag-boxing. Kaso, hindi ko lang naugasyan. Dito bigla lang yung
Mas maganda kasi daw yung on the spot.
on the spot, yung unplanned.
Yes.
Hindi pa sa ano.
Nawawala.
Oo, hindi natutuloy. Pero gusto natuloy siya. Ganda. Nakakalipang din magsagot.
So baka hindi pa pwede yung sunod namin, marami pa rin sunod.
Oo, marami pa.
And yun.
Iniwan na tayo guys.
Oo, yun.
Magsama natin. Pero all goods are goods.
So yun, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan sa YouTube channel, Kalingap Beshi Roy. Pinawag ko kasi Kalingap Beshi pa. Kalingap Beshi pa.
Kalingap Beshi.
Yes.
Pero nakita ko Kalingap Roy Beshi.
Ano yun? Tinanggal ko rin.
Lang ganyan. Kalingap Beshi Roy na.
Kalingap Beshi lang. Hindi, Kalingap Beshi.
Kalingap Beshi.
Yes. And huwag niyo po kalimutan comment siyempre and i-share niyo rin.
Share nyo rin guys. Support nyo po si Coach Roy.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you po.
And boxing and gym po sa Papa John's and Kalingap.
First time. Thank you very much Coach Roy. Thank you very much po.